Hello, I'm going to show you today the simple way to make braids. Japanese braiding is a traditional craft, been going for thousands of years. I happen to come across these little discs, and you can make braids on these in a very simple, quick way. Here I've used lots of different fibres, and that creates the different effects. You need a disc, some thread, and I've cut these. I've got 4 pieces of thread all cut to the same length. This one, it's its turn to move, and it's got beads on the end. So we just take one bead down and we pop that in the middle there and move the thread across. As easy as that.